Hey there, and welcome back to the Festival Kitchen. My name is Emily, and this is Lauren, and we are two of Festival's mealtime mentors. Today we are making a scrumptious side dish salad.
That's right, Emily. Today we are bringing the world to your table with a Mexican street corn salad. I'm really excited about this recipe. It's so fresh, and what I love about it is that while it's a salad, you can also use it on tacos and eat it with chips as an appetizer, so
very versatile.
Super versatile. So we're going to get started on our dressing. So we're using plain non-fat Greek yogurt.
This is our nutritional trade-up for sour cream.
Yeah, so we're using 3 tablespoons. I'm just going to scoop in 3 tablespoons here. Provides nice tangy flavor. All right. Then I'm going to add in fresh lime juice. We've got
some cayenne pepper.
Cayenne, thank you.
A little heat.
Garlic, and then just a little salt and pepper. Bring all those flavors together. So really, really easy dressing. And then I'm just going to whisk this up.
Perfect. And while Lauren's whisking that up, I'm going to get started on our avocado. Just going to slice this and then dice it. Talking a little bit about avocados and picking them out, because I know sometimes it can be a challenge. Oh, this is a perfect ripeness.
Oh gosh, that never happens. Sometimes you do have a little brown on the inside with avocados, at least I've been noticing lately.
Yes.
It's perfectly safe to eat. Just depends on how ripe it is.
And if for some reason your avocado isn't ripe enough, what you can do is you can put it in a paper bag with an apple or a banana and close it up, and it'll help ripen or speed up the ripening process.
And if you buy an avocado that is ripe and you're not going to use it for a couple days, you can actually store it in the refrigerator too to help it prevent it from ripening any further.
Scoop this in. And avocados are packed with those heart-healthy fats, so it's going to add a nice creaminess to this dish as well.
Yes, and it just fits in so nicely with all these Mexican flavors we have going on in this salad recipe.
All right, now that our avocado is diced up, I'm just going to top it with a little bit of lime juice, and this is going to help slow down that browning process that naturally occurs. Just a little toss before we go ahead and add the other ingredients, which we're going to add some jalapeno. We chose to take out the seeds today just to help decrease the spice a little bit, but if you want a little spicier salad, go ahead and leave those in. Add some olive oil. Some minced red onion, nice colorful addition to the salad. Some fresh cilantro.
So many really fresh flavors, which I love.
And some cotija cheese.
And this is a traditional Mexican style cheese. You can find it in our deli cheese island area or in our frozen food, the dairy department. But sometimes it comes in a block and you would have to kind of crumble it up, which it is super crumbly. Or we actually found it in a bag as well where it is already crumbled up.
Right.
So our next ingredient, we're adding this Green Giant roasted corn, which we love. This has actually just been thawed, so we didn't cook it, but we let it thaw out, so it's still nice and cold.
And we really like this Green Giant product. They're roasted veggies. There's also some carrots and broccoli, but we're using the corn variety, and it adds a nice grill flavor to the vegetables, and it's really convenient. We have a recipe on our blog that is grilled corn with a chili lime butter, and so it's a very similar recipe to this, but this is a little bit more convenient all year round because you can just grab this from the frozen department and use it in this recipe.
I love the other varieties too. I've had the broccoli, there's cauliflower, carrots. They just have such great flavor because the fact that the veggies were roasted, which we love. So I'm gonna add in our dressing here, if you want to toss that all together. So as we mentioned earlier, this obviously makes a great salad to feed a crowd as a nice and fresh side dish, but certainly could serve it with chips, like scoops would be perfect. You can scoop some in as an appetizer or a snack, or we talked about on tacos too.
Yes. Definitely a delicious option.
Right, you want to scoop me up some? I'm going to give it a try. I love all the colors in here too. The green, the yellow,
Just looks so
purple.
fresh, and it smells fresh too with that lime juice.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. So fresh. I love it.
Well, we hope you give this Mexican street corn salad a try.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit fastfoods.com.